We'll guide you through how to create a PowerGrade in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and go to the color page where you do all your color grading work. Once you're there, you need to create a grade that you want to save as a PowerGrade. Do your color corrections and adjustments until you're satisfied with the look. Then, head over to the gallery section located in the top left corner of the color page. Here, you'll see several options including stills and PowerGrades. Click on the PowerGrades tab to make sure it's selected. Now, to save your current grade as a PowerGrade, right-click on the viewer where your video is displayed. From the context menu, choose the option Grab Still. This will take a snapshot of your grade. You'll see the still appear in your PowerGrades gallery. To make sure it's saved as a PowerGrade, drag the still from the Stills gallery over to the PowerGrades gallery. This allows you to use this saved look in any other project. To apply this PowerGrade to a new clip, simply drag it from the PowerGrades gallery onto the new clip in your timeline. This is incredibly useful if you want to keep a consistent look across multiple projects or shots. And that's it. You've successfully created and applied a PowerGrade in DaVinci Resolve, which can save you loads of time in future projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.